Give me a second.
She is protected, trying to see what the fallout will be as far as her having to be removed from some of her competitions because of a lot of different things, including online bullying and psychological damage.
Look how much he's victimizing this whole situation. This literally just happened like 2 in the morning. This was happening like 1, 2 in the morning. It is only 2 p.m. right now, a little after 2 p.m. He did this live around 10, 11-ish. So from 2 a.m. to now she's been being bullied and you already done had to take her out of school, put her in therapy, all this. Since then, y'all would have bumbleclot y'all talk, yo. Yo, you full of shit, man. You full of shit. This is why your children should not be on the fucking internet in the first place. I'm talking about they shouldn't have internet access, none of that shit. Because if you're a public figure, you're putting yourself out there and people are going to go and look for your family, especially when you put yourself to be this man, big old family man, and I'm the this, that, and third. Yeah, people gonna try to debunk that. And they did. They debunked so much in the sense of they got the clip of what your wife said about you. We don't know. I don't know if that could have been a parody or not, but they got it.